Now let's talk about another type of investor called a qualified client. And again, for a qualified client, there are additional requirements that they would have to meet. They would have to have an assets under management or AUM with a fund manager for at least $1 million. Or they would have to have a net worth, the minimum of $2.1 million. And again, this would exclude the person's value of their primary residence. And again, this is adjusted for inflation. One thing to keep in mind is, depending on when you're listening to this course, you want to make sure the minimum net worth test and the earned income has not changed when we're talking about accredited investors. And for qualified clients, you want to make sure the AUM or the assets under management or the net worth requirement has not changed. And again, these requirements could be changed with any new type of legislation.